Another example on the equilibrium of a body placed on a smooth inclined plane. A body whose weight is 90 gram weight is placed on a smooth plane that inclines to the horizontal by an angle whose measure is 30 degrees. The body is kept in equilibrium by means of a force. Find the magnitude of this force and the normal reaction to the inclined plane in two different cases. First, if the force is horizontal. Second, if the force is inclined to the horizontal by an angle of measure 60 degrees. In the first case, here we have a body whose weight is 90 gram weight, which is placed on a smooth inclined plane that inclines to the horizontal by 30 degrees. If the body is kept in equilibrium by a horizontal force, find the magnitude of the force and the reaction of the plane. The plane inclined by 30 degrees to the horizontal and the weight is vertical. So here we have a right triangle and this angle measures 60 degrees. If the plane inclines to the horizontal by 30 degrees and this is a horizontal force, so the angle between the plane and the horizontal force is also 30 degrees. The set of forces is in equilibrium, so applying Lami's rule, the angle between the reaction of the plane and the horizontal force is this angle, which is 30 and 90 to be 120 degrees. The angle between the force and the weight, the horizontal force and the vertical weight is a right angle. So here we have a right angle or 90 degrees. The angle between the reaction of the plane and the vertical weight is this angle, which is 90 plus 60 to be 150. Since the plane is a smooth plane, so the reaction of the plane is perpendicular to the plane. Applying Lami's rule, so the reaction R over sine of the angle between the other two forces, which is 90 degrees, so sine 90 equals the horizontal force F over sine of the angle between the other two forces, which is 150, so F over sine 150. This equals the weight 90 over the angle between the other two forces. The angle between the reaction of the plane and the force is this angle, which is 120. So this equals 90 over sine 120. Simplify. R over sine 90, or sine 90 is 1, so R over 1 equals the force F over sine 150. 150 is 1 over 2, so F over 1 over 2 equals 90 over sine 120 is square root 3 over 2. Simplify by cross product to get F equals 1 over 2, move the 1 over 2 up, times 90 over square root 3 over 2. So 1 over 2 times 90 over square root 3 over 2 to be 30 square root 3 gram weight. And the reaction equals 90 over square root 3 over 2 to be 60 square root 3 gram weight. The second case, if the force is inclined to the horizontal by an angle of 60 degrees, now the angle between the force and the vertical weight is this angle. Here this is 60 and this is a right angle, so we have 150 degrees. The angle between the reaction, here we have a right angle, here the reaction of the plane is perpendicular to the plane, and this is 60 degrees. So here also we have 150 degrees. Finally, the angle between the reaction and the force F is this angle, which is, here we have the inclination of the plane with the horizontal is 30 degrees, so this angle is 30. Since the force inclines to the horizontal by 60 degrees, so this angle equals 60 minus 30 to be 30 degrees. So finally here we have a right angle. Here we have a right angle, subtract, so 90 minus 30 to be 60 degrees. So the angle between the reaction R and the force is 60 degrees. Now apply Lami's rule. So the force F over sine of the angle between the reaction and the weight, which is 150, so sine 150 equals the reaction R over sine of the angle between the force F and the weight, which is also 150, so R over sine 150. This equals the weight over sine of the angle between the reaction and the force, which is 60 degrees, so 90 over sine 60. Sine 150 is 1 over 2, so F over 1 over 2 equals sine 150 is also 1 over 2. Here 90 over sine 60. Sine 60 is square root 3 over 2. To get r, cross product, move the 1 over 2 up here. So r, the reaction of the plane is 90 over square root 3, which is 30 square root 3. And here we can simplify. So to get f equals r. So f equals r equal 30 square root 3 gram weight.